laying in the
Mine
chair. I was
first, me
rubbing
first.
all over it.
I gotta get mine out while it's there. I am excited. I'm really, truly excited. That is listening. That is listening to direction.
Mm-hmm.
That is making those changes. Your descriptions were off the hook.
Oh,
You are really telling a story.
Okay.
I was so into it. The only thing that I was saying, because you said SUV, and I was saying, well, what time was this? See,
Okay.
because I you know what I mean. I don't want to date the book or anything, but SUV.
Because I had
when
vehicles
did
down and it sounded fake, so, okay.
Well,
I don't
you
know.
just got to figure out
Okay.
what your year is, because
Okay.
when SUVs really came in and stuff like that,
Okay.
and you just have to watch that.
Okay.
But I was very excited. I was very, very excited, and it brought something back to me that I learned again. I'm learning. I'm working with Patrice at her school, and I'm learning a lot from her, because now I've whipped her back into classroom mode, and she's teaching, and I'm learning some things. And she said some things about it kind of came up. I wondered if she noticed. I hope I'm not stealing her notes about how people perceive you. You said something about they thought she was one way, but if they really had known her, how people just perceive you by your actions or way you walk or way you look, and it was to how they defined you without really knowing you. And I picked that up in her story. So
I actually got that because I think when I first read it, I talked about the Dolce Gabbana define, and it was something like, well, does she think she's all that? I mean, and that's why I was like, no, I want to show her success. So I put that line in there to say the guys are watching her, but they really don't know why she was really there.
perfect.
So I wanted to humble her, and I took directions
that
from
was-
you
that
guys.
was
You're like,
awesome.
okay,
That
you can
was
talk
awesome.
about the Dolce, you can talk about the
Yeah.
suit and this and that, but make us want to connect with this woman,
Yeah.
because I don't wear that stuff. Well, I don't. So that's why I
Yeah,
put that
that
in
was-
there.
that
You
was
colored her
good.
well.
Yeah,
You
you
did a
did.
great job.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you. So proud of you.
Thank
So now I'll
you.
move out of the hot seat
Okay.
and let the next person come up.
Okay.